Welcome to the best natural bodybuilding channel. Let's go. Smallest dude in town. Short, skinny, boom. If you got a boom. Yo, welcome back to Fresh Fits. It's your boy Alex, and today's commonly asked questions. How do I start lifting weights? Say, yo, listen, you're gonna start with the basics. Bench press, squat, deadlift, rows, pull-ups. And for biceps, the barbell curls or dumbbell curls. I would say you should do this 2 to 3 times a week. Yes, the reason why I say 2 to 3 times a week is because a lot of people do that one body part each day. That might not work for you. You get what I'm saying? Some people do it and they feel, yeah, they're getting results, but it's slow gains. You trying to get gains as quick as possible, especially if you're new at doing this. You want to hit the muscle group often, okay? 2 to 3 times a week. If you want your biceps to grow, you got to hit them bitches at least 2 to 3 times a week. You want your legs to grow, you want your chest to grow 2 to 3 times a week. The more volume, the more stress on the muscle, the more it's going to grow, okay? As you can see, C.T. Fletcher said back in the days, I did arms every single day. The reason why he did arms every single day was because he was stressing the muscle and his arms grew. You know what I mean? But you're feeding the muscle by breaking it down and then you eat. You get what I'm saying? So I would say start with those exercises, 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps, and gradually go up as you progress, okay? Meaning, you want to progressively overload at least every time you step in the gym. Facts. If you did 10 reps yesterday, you want to push for 12 reps. If you did 12 reps yesterday, that day, you want to do 15 reps the next day. And gradually you would increase the weight. So you could add 5s. Matter of fact, add 2.5 pounds on each side. Just so you know, okay, I'm getting stronger. That's the best way to track it. I'm getting stronger. And check yourself, check the scale, look in the mirror. Those are ways that you can see that you're developing. Do those exercises, squats, deadlifts, bench press, barbell curls or dumbbell curls, pull-ups, right? And you basically hitting the full body. You get what I'm saying? Because you're doing everything all in those exercises. And I would say do that for a good 3 months. If you're just starting, do that for 3 months. And I'm telling you, you're going to see a big difference. The volume, I know a lot of people do the other splits and everything like that, but if you do a full body workout to start off, it's going to be a killer. It's going to beat your body. You beating the shit out of your body, basically. But you're going to see maximum growth. I get this from people that are experienced. They're like, yo, why was I doing chest every single day? And the reason why I was doing chest every day, the reason why you asked me that question, right, was because my chest is developed. You like, yo, how'd you get your chest so big? And it was like, oh, I was doing it every day. But a lot of people were like, yo, listen, you're not supposed to do that because so-and-so said, or textbook, or whatever they seen on a YouTube video. But I'm like, yo, listen, the reason why you asking me how my chest got so big was because I was doing it every day. Before I was using weights, I was doing push-ups, right? I was doing all variations of push-ups. And I still do push-ups, right? I start off with push-ups, right? Just to warm up, and I end off with push-ups, okay? Because push-ups gives you the best mind-muscle connection. You forcing that muscle to grow, okay? Whether you like it or not. But let's get back to the point. The whole point is, I was doing body weight push-ups every single day just to start. I was doing 100 a day and 100 sit-ups. And if I was next to a bar, I'll be doing pull-ups, okay? Meaning, like, if I was at the basketball court, I would climb the fence, grab the side of the hoop, and I'll be doing pull-ups. That was just my thing. But if you're starting, I would say, yo, start off with body weight exercises. You a heavy set guy, or you just a skinny guy and it's just everything is too heavy for you. I would say start at home. You ain't gotta even be in the gym. You can start at home, build your physique at home. That's exactly how I did it. And I would do push-ups, sit-ups, but I would incorporate legs. Back in the days, we wasn't doing legs. You just wanted to look good, look with a tank top on or no shirt on, okay? But nowadays, I'm gonna tell you where I messed up because I'm still playing catch up and I'm 41 years old. I'm just being transparent. If I did body weight squats early on and did lunges and things like that, my whole body would have been on point. I'm still getting there. It's still a work in progress, but you just got to enjoy it, right? You molding your body to exactly to the way that you want it to look. So I would say I would start off with first, just to knock it out, 100 reps of squats. Then lunge, right? Lunge back and forth, whatever you have. Lunge, 4 sets of, do 4 sets of a minute. Try to lunge for 1 minute straight. Just your body weight, okay? Jump squats, right? Then calf raises. With just stand on the ledge and bust out some calf raises. That's perfect right there. You're gonna do that 100 reps. Your legs is on point, your legs are on fire, you hit all parts of your legs. Then you do abs, sit-ups, crunches, leg raises. That's it. You know what I mean? Maybe you do some twists and you're good with the abs. For chest, push-ups, diamond push-ups, regular push-ups, wide grip push-ups, you're good. If you have even if you don't have dumbbells, you can do shoulder press on the floor, okay? And if that's difficult for you and you're struggling, that's fine. You're just gonna go just like this, but focus on squeezing your shoulders on every rep. Squeeze your shoulders on every rep. So boom, we're gonna do that 4 sets for 1 minute. I'm telling you, the shoulder burn is insane. Then you're gonna go, remember how you used to do in gym class back in the days? Boom, just like this. You're gonna do that for 1 minute, reverse, boom, 1 minute. Your shoulders is on point. Then for arms, you're definitely gonna need something to curl. Yo, if you got a bag, look at that shit. Right on point. You got a bag of rice, okay? Boom, boom. If you got a bag of rice, boom, boom, for shoulders. You got the bag of rice, squat, boom. I mean, think about it, guys. You can improvise with what you have if you're a beginner and you're just starting, but you could definitely hit a dope full body workout. You ain't got a bag of rice, you can get a water bottle and just do that. But you can hit a full body workout with what you just have. And I'm telling you, do it 2 to 3 times a week, full body, you are gonna be on point, all right? And this is natural bodybuilding, guys. This is not people that's on juice and all that. That's the reason, I don't know. A lot of people I see in the gym, they jump in for the quick fix. This is a long game. I've been doing this for over, I would say 30 years, facts. I'm 41. I started at a very young age doing this. I got stories on that, why I started. I was the smallest dude in town, you know what I mean? Short, skinny. So I felt like, yo, I needed to pack on some muscle. So I got into weightlifting. I had a neighbor that was shredded, him and his brother. And that was the reason why I jumped into, bodybuilding. But that's neither here or there. I'm talking about you. What you should do is do full body workouts. You're a beginner, hit the full body. I'm telling you, 2 to 3 times a week for 3 months. Trust me, you're gonna see a big difference. Then you can switch it up because now you develop the body parts that you want, okay? And whatever you feel is lagging, that's fine. You hit it more often, right? You hit it more often. If you're going to the, I say do 2 to 3 times a week full body, and you should include workout. So I would hit 4 to 5 times a week a workout. So 2 to 3 times full body, And the other 2 days should be just your normal workout, a split, whatever you decide. Whatever you feel you're lagging, hit that more often. I'm telling you guys, you struggling with arms, you're struggling with your shoulders, your back, the mind muscle connection, do it more often, focusing on stretching and squeezing the muscle as hard as you can. And I'm telling you, you're gonna see an improvement. You're gonna see muscle growth. Make sure your diet is on point, because diet is really everything in order to see these muscles. As you guys see, there's guys that's skinny as fuck in the gym, but they're strong as hell. And that's because their diet is weak. You know what I mean? Then you see guys that's big, but they're big because their diet is just out of control. So you want to have your diet on point. Okay? Focus on this. I'm gonna leave off with this. Picture you have somebody in mind that you want to look like, right? Maybe it's your bodybuilder or influencer or whatever. Somebody that has similar genetic body type like yours, right? Similar physique, okay? I'm not gonna try to look like The Rock, because I'm not 6'3", 6'4", however tall he is, and I'm not 240 something pounds. You get what I'm saying? So pick somebody that has that type of physique and then try to model what they're doing. You know what I mean? But if they're on, because a lot of these motherfuckers be lying saying they're not on juice when they really are, but still try to get to that physique. And I'm telling you, that's just gonna be like a guide for you to chase. You get what I'm saying? And once you get there, you're gonna know, because everybody else is gonna tell you, yo, you looking good. And that's when you know you're doing something right. But focus on that 2 to 3 times the full body if you're new at this, and add a split in between, and focus on your weak body parts. I'm gonna always say that in all my videos. Focus on your weak body parts, and don't forget to stretch and squeeze the shit out of the muscle. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.